Hey, it's Colin again here at MNI Direct in Rock Hill, and here we have the Fire Chief Arborvitae. This is a low-growing, globe-shaped arborvitae that prefers full sun to part shade. Really, it needs about 3 hours of sun to really get its best color. We're coming out of winter here in South Carolina right now, so this is what this plant does in the winter time. Most conifers go through what's called winter bronzing, where the foliage will turn a different color based on the season that we're in. So this is what it does in the winter time. As we come out of winter, we will get new fresh growth, which will come out a really nice green chartreuse color, and then it will repeat the cycle as we move into winter this year. So this plant is really easily manageable at about 3 feet tall and wide. It makes a really nice globe shape. I really wouldn't recommend pruning it at all. And it's fairly deer resistant as well. Generally, arborvitaes have a little bit of a fragrance whenever you crush the foliage, which tend to keep deer away. So that is Fire Chief Arborvitae.